If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on Netflix, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to adjust your account settings. Follow these steps to manage your viewing preferences effectively. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Visit the Netflix website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the account holder's information to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage profile settings. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Click on the profile you want to adjust. Here, you will find various settings related to viewing restrictions. Step 4. Adjust parental controls. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Exit the settings, and your new preferences should take effect immediately. By following these steps, you can successfully manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Netflix account. Enjoy your viewing experience.